Welcome to my new blog post 39. In this blog post, I'm going to discuss about organizational systems. This will be an overview of the organizational systems. So let's start. So basically, projects operate within the constraints imposed by the organization through their structure and governance framework. To operate effectively and efficiently, the project manager needs to understand where responsibility, accountability, and authority reside within the organization. This understanding will help the project manager effectively use his or her power, influence, competence, leadership, and political capabilities to successfully complete the project. The interaction of multiple factors within an individual organization creates a unique system that impacts the project operating in that system. The resulting organizational system determines the power, influence, interests, competence, and political capabilities of the people who are able to act within the system. The system factors include but are not limited to management elements, governance frameworks, and organizational structure types. So all in all, if we talk about the system, so basically a system is actually a collection of various components that together can produce results not obtainable by the individual components alone. A component is an identifiable element within the project or organization that provides a particular function or group of related functions. The interaction of various systems components creates the organizational culture and capabilities. There are several principles regarding systems. So some of them are systems are basically dynamic. Systems can be optimized. System components can be optimized, but system and their components cannot be optimized at the same time. Systems are nonlinear in responsiveness. Basically, it means a change in the input does not produce a predictable change in the output. So we can say that multiple changes may occur within the system and between the system and its environment. When these changes take place, adaptive behavior occurs within the components that in turn add to the system's dynamics. The system's dynamics are defined by the interaction between the components based on the relationships and dependencies that exist between the components. Systems are typically the responsibility of an organization's management. The organization's management examines the optimization trade-offs between the components and the system in order to take the appropriate action to achieve the best outcomes for the organization. The results of this examination will impact the project under consideration. Therefore, it is important that the project manager take these results into account when determining how to fulfill the project's objectives. In addition, the project manager should take into account the organization's governance framework. So uh, with this, I conclude my overview. And now let's come towards our star question. So a project manager of a company ABC must interact with various departments like finance, HR, and supply chain. Uh, the interaction is causing the change within the system. What should be the project management strategy? Number one, it should be adaptive, collaborative, repulsive, or dynamic. So the answer lies within this video.